Hi, this is Jill Winchel with the Kaufman Group at Realtor Real Estate in Southwest Florida. I noticed they started working on this lot in my neighborhood, so I thought I'd do a vlog post and give you some more information. Now this happens to be a Gulf Access Canal lot, so a seawall had to be put in before they could start any work on the house. When you're purchasing a lot, you'll want to hire a survey company to do a survey and elevation certificate, and that will tell you how high you need to raise the lot before you could start building the house. I believe they put about 20 loads of dirt on average on a lot before building. So they've smoothed out quite a bit yesterday, and there are a few more piles there. The surveyor will check and make sure it's at the correct height. The government decides how high the land must be before you can start building. If you'd like more information on buying a lot or a new construction home in Cape Coral, please get in touch, 615-504-1185.